Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SEO-friendly URL structure on WordPress. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To set up an SEO-friendly URL structure on WordPress, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Permalinks. The default option is usually plain, which is not SEO-friendly. Select the post name option for a clean and descriptive URL. After selecting the post name option, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Changes button to apply your new settings. Next, make sure to review your existing posts. Editing your older posts may be necessary to match the new URL format. To do this, go to Posts in the left sidebar and click on All Posts. For each post, click Edit and review the URL slug. The URL slug is the part of the URL that identifies your post. Make sure it is concise, includes keywords, and is easy to read. After updating the slug, click Update to save your changes. Moving on, consider installing an SEO plugin to further optimize your URLs. Popular options include Yoast SEO and All-in-One SEO Pack. Install and activate your preferred plugin from the Plugins section. Once activated, explore the plugin settings for additional URL optimizations. You may want to configure redirect options for any changed URLs. This helps maintain traffic to your valuable content. Finally, regularly audit your site's URL structure. This ensures all URLs remain SEO-friendly as your website grows. With these steps, you'll create a strong foundation for your site's SEO strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.